Welcome. In this video, we will speak about some function. COUNTIF and COUNTIF, SUMIF and AVERAGEIF. If you have example like this speak about some branches have car, bus and minibus, and every car from this have code and have a price. I make this one typically to understand the concept, but you can make this function for large sheet or large information. Okay, I make the car here for 20,000 and bus 7,000 and minibus for 40,000. Okay, take care. I have this. How much I have? I have 15 cell and the car 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I will make by manual like this. If I need to know the number, the price of the car, I make 5 and everyone is 20,000. Okay, this means the car will be 100. Okay, I'm sorry, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. The car will be 100. Take care what we will make by this function. COUNTIF. If I need to know the number of the car in this column, I can use this function. I will type sign equal and write COUNTIF from here. After this, you speak about range. Range is the place where you will search. I will search in this column and I put semicolon and criteria. What you search about? I search about car. I will make enter. Take care. He give you 5. Yes, there is 5 cell have a car. If I make this 0 for example, take care, he will make update. Okay, I make Ctrl Z. The same thing I will make here. Okay, just to understand every cell I make 3 and 5 is like this. Okay, I will come here and here. I will come here and make formula and make some I'm sorry, count. Yeah, count is the same of this. Count here is count of here, and here I will make some like this. Okay, I need now to get the price. I need the price of the car. For the price, I can use SUMIF. SUMIF. The first thing where you will search, I will search here. Search about what? I search about car. After this, I will return not like COUNTIF the number. No, I will get here the price, but not individual for every car. No, it will be for the total car. He get the car 1 and take this price and sum for this price and the other price. Okay. After this, he speak about the range. I will speak this one. I make enter. Take care. The car is 100,000 and I give here for you. There is 5 and the 5 multiply 2,000, 20,000. This for confirmation. Okay, I make the same thing here. Okay, take care. This is the sum how much? 65,000. Okay, the sum here, the sum here. Okay, say this how much? This is the same price for this one. Okay, I have also AVERAGEIF. By the same concept, AVERAGEIF, where you will search, I will search here. Search about what? I will search about this item. And what you will return, I will return the average from here. Make enter. Take care. If I put here average and select all of this, the average of all of this one, come here, the average is the same of this for ensure. Okay, there is too much function here. We maybe speak about advanced of this function in other video, but until now we speak about COUNTIF, SUMIF, AVERAGEIF, and in the previous we speak about VLOOKUP type, and we speak about the if function. Thank you.